Here's how to manually update your iPhone apps. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to update an app, let's say Facebook or Instagram, but it's not just automatically updating, there are several things we can do to force it to update. The first thing we're going to do on here is head into the Settings app on your iPhone, and then just tap on Search here and search for App Store, and then tap on App Store. Now within here, instead of having to manually update all of those apps, all we need to do is toggle on app updates. It says automatically install new app updates. So if that's turned off, just turn this on to make your life a little easier and not have to manually do it. However, if you want to manually do it, just open up the App Store and you can either search for that specific app, or it's a bit easier to tap on your profile at the top right and then select App Updates. From here, swipe down to search for if there are new updates. And as you scroll through here, you can see, for instance, Instagram, I can manually update it by tapping on Update. However, this doesn't clear out all the cache and temporary files. If you wanted to update and clear all that cache and temporary files, open up the Settings app on your iPhone instead, and let's go back to the beginning. From the beginning, just tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, we're just going to find the app that you want to manually update, for instance, Instagram, and choose to offload this and then reinstall it. By doing that, it force updates it, but it also clears all the cache and temporary files, fixing lots of bugs and glitches, but also getting you the latest features. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.